So here we have a 4-pack magnetic spice rack. Can also be used as a kitchen organizer, a space saver to keep items in the kitchen or around the house off counters. It can attach to the refrigerator, microwave oven, any metal surface that it will fit. So these high quality spice racks are magnetic shells with a black matted finish, durable and which helps you keep the kitchen or area organized. It's capable of handling up to 6.6 pounds. There's no tools needed and hardware to attach this because it just uses the magnetic power that's attached to the shelf and will not wear out in time. Now this is great not only for spices but tea bags, seasonings, salt shakers, coffee syrups, sugar packs, any item that's left lying around and you want to clear up your counter space and make everything look organized. This spice rack shelf system is for you. Now it's easy to clean because it has the ventilation on the bottom. It's an open shelf, so there's no dirt gathering on the rack itself. So you get 2 large spice racks and 2 medium spice racks and 1 instruction manual in this 4-pack kit. Medium spice rack measures 11.22 inches by 3.34 and a depth of 2.75. The 2 large ones is 11.81 inches, 4.13 deep and 2.75 high. This is a very functional item. I keep it in my kitchen and you should too.